Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, always we are sharing creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Today's video is all about pillow cover crochet designs. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crochet pillow cover. Creating a crochet pillow cover can be a fun and rewarding project. Here's a list of 30 points to consider for making a project pillow cover. Choose your yarn. Pick a yarn that suits the look and feel you want. Cotton are popular choice for pillow covers. Select a hook. Use a crochet hook size that matches your yarn. Check the yarn label for recommendations. Measure your pillow. Determine the dimensions of the pillow you want to cover to ensure a perfect fit. Swatch first. Crochet a small stitch to check your gauge and adjust your hook size if necessary. Decide on the pattern. Choose a pattern that matches your skill level and styles. Popular patterns include granny squares, shells, and baubles. Choose colors. Select a color scheme that complements your home decor. Start with the foundation chain. Chain the number of stitches needed to match the width of your pillow. Create the first row. Follow your pattern instructions to begin the first row of your cover. Check fit regularly. As you work, check the cover against your pillow to ensure it fits. Incorporate borders. Add a border to finish the edge neatly if desired. Work in rounds or rows. Decide whether to crochet the cover in one piece working in round or in separate pieces working in rows. Consider texture. Use different stitches to create textures such as puff stitches or cross stitches. Use a slip stitch chain. For joining rounds, a slip stitch join can help create a seamless look. Count your stitches. Keep track of your stitches to maintain the crochet shape and size. Add a zipper or buttons. Consider adding a closure to make the cover removable and washable. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your beloved friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. Sewing piece together. If crocheting in separate pieces, use a slip stitch or whip stitch to join the piece together. Block your work. Blocking helps to shape and set your crochet cover. Wet or steam block it if needed. Check for comfort. Ensure the cover is comfortable and fits well around the pillow. Finishing touches. Add any final like tassels or appliques. Waves in ends. Secure and wave in any loose yarn ends with a yarn needle. Test for durability. Make sure your cover is durable and can withstand regular use. Consider washing instruction. Choose yarn that is easy to wash, especially if the pillow will be used frequently. Choose a pattern for the back. If your cover has a different pattern on the back, plan accordingly. Experiment with colors. Don't be afraid to use multiple colors or create pattern with them. Use proper tension. Maintain consistent tension to ensure even stitches. Add a lining. For extra durability, you might add a fabric lining inside the cover. Customize the size. Adjust the pattern if you need a different size or shape for your pillow. Practice patience. Crochet takes time, so enjoy the process and don't rush. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. So keep watching our videos and don't skip our video channel. Thank you for watching.